This video was made possible by patreon.com. If you're interested, click the link in the description.
So how's it going? Have you got a family?
Just my dogs, Pepe and Paco.
You need to listen to me very carefully.
Okay.
One of your dogs has been taken.
So what you gonna do?
Driver's suicide. When the train came into the station, it accelerated. Whoever this man is, he wants to go out with a bang.
Evil minds that plot destruction.
Let's go save the world. What in the hell?
Sorcerer of death's construction.
Listen to me very carefully. That I have a particular set of skills. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you.
What are your skills?
I will make you suffer pain so unimaginable, you will wiggle and beg. And pray for the gift of death. You won't find peace. You know why, Matthew? Because I'll be there waiting for you again. When you wake up in hell, I will kill you.